Students, today we are going to discuss the importance of insects. There are two aspects of importance of insects. One is what the the benefits of insects, benefits, okay, and the other is what the harms of insects. Well, you might come across in your paper, write down the benefits of insects, or uh, write the harms of insects, or uh, in certain questions you may come across, write down the importance of insects. If you come across the question, write down the importance of insects, then you will have to write both what harms and the benefits. And if you are asked about particularly the benefits are harms, then you're not going to touch the other aspect. Whatever has been asked, you will have to write that only. Okay. First of all, uh, let's discuss what the silkworm. Silkworm, its biological name is Bombyx mori. What? Bombyx mori. Because it is found on Morus alba. What? Morus alba. That is known as Shatut. Okay, Morus alba. And it produces what? Silk. It produces silk. Okay, and silk, that's a protein, and that protein is very important. Okay, that is fibrous protein. Okay. Next is what? Wasp. The wasps, these are important in this way that they they kill the aphids, those aphids which harm the production of walnut tree. Okay, walnut tree, produces the walnut, and that is used in medicines, and that is also used as food. Okay, that is used as dry fruit as well. So the wasps, they kill the aphids which are pest. Okay, what is pest? Any organism, which competes the food crops, or harms the food of human. Okay, that is known as pest. Okay. Well, next is what the butterflies. They are important. Dannis, plecipus, and many other butterflies are found here in Pakistan. There are so many species found in Pakistan, and those butterflies and other insects like moths as well. They carry out the pollination. Okay, it is said certain wildlife experts, they believe that if there are no butterflies, and if there are no insects and no birds, there would be no more food material for the human life on the face of the earth. Okay, so so look at the importance of butterflies and moths and other insects which carry out the pollination. I will tell you people that the pollination which is carried out by the animals, that is known as zoophyli. What? Zoophyli. And the pollination which is carried out by water, that is known as hydrophily. What? Hydrophily. And the pollination which is carried out by air, that is known as anemophily. Okay, come back. Honeybees, they participate in pollination. Okay, and the honeybees, they produce what? Honey. Okay, and they also produce what? The wax. And some point has also said, what magas ko baag mein jaane na dijo, mat nahak ho, whatever, वो कहते हैं कि जी जो ये जो मक्खी है, मगस है, इसको बाग में मत जाने देना। क्यों? कि ये वहाँ जाएगी और फिर ये वैक्स प्रोड्यूस करेगी, और वैक्स प्रोड्यूस होने से क्या होगा, मोमबत्ती बनेगी, और मोमबत्ती जब बनेगी, मत नाहक खून हो किसी परवाने का। फिर जब मोमबत्ती जलेगी तो परवाना आएगा, और परवाना आएगा तो वो जल जाएगा। हाय हाय हाय, कम बैक, लीव इट, let us come out of the poetry. Apis melophyca, Apis indica, Apis florea, and many other species of genus Apis. Apis is the genus of honeybee. Okay, and they produce honey and wax and many other substances which are important to human beings. So these are 4 examples. There are many other examples, mind it. Okay, these are 4 examples which I have told you people regarding the importance of insects. Today was a bit short lecture, and in the next lecture we'll discuss, inshallah, about the harms of insects. If you think that this is something which I have told you people, it is important, and if you have understood well, uh, your sincerity, it is the test of your sincerity that you must share all these things to your loved ones. Thank you very much.